Testing product images is a great way to drive purchasing decisions. To start a test, go into your Neat A/B testing dashboard and choose Product Attribute Test. Select the product you want to test in the pop-up window. Now we're going to customize how you would like the product images to appear on your test. Scroll down to Images where your product photos are kept. Whichever image is in the first spot will be the primary image for the product and will show up first on collection pages and search results. To remove an image for your test, just click Remove File below the image. You can rearrange the order by grabbing any image and putting it in the desired location. To add a new image, you can drag it directly from your computer into your product photos or click in the product photo box and a window will pop up for you to select an image directly off of your computer. Then scroll down and select your cycle time, and then you can start your test, save it as a draft to work on later, or schedule a specific start date and time. How easy was that? This has been your Neat A/B Testing 1-Minute Helper.